Someday.
Hmm?
Only in there. Boy, just make this into a birthday ever. Catnap, catnap, see you wanna sleep. Catnap, catnap, see you in your dream. Okay, let's move side of catnap.
Catnap?
Yeah. It's floating.
Stick on your palm.
Yeah.
Really? Really? Say hi to my video.
Hi to my video.
Smile, B. How to smile? Wow. Is that your beautiful smile?
Yeah. This is the top of the ears. Next, let's wipe it up. So please, the photo. What's this for? This one?
That's the box of your fun. Small
No,
fun.
the hole.
There's a hole?
Yes.
I don't know.
The hole for this one.
Let me see. Where's the charger for this? Where's the charger? This is the charger of your phone.
First, don't wipe it up. First, wipe it up.
You're gonna wipe it off?
Yeah, we said we'll make something. Wait,
What you gonna use?
wipes.
Wipes, of course, for cleaning. What you're making?
I'm making a symbol with
What?
up,
Huh?
up, E-I-I.
E-I-I ba? Uy.
It's called Whippy I.
Blippy I. Taka-taka naman ni sure. You didn't say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
A day with me.
A day with me.
What you making?
I'm making something glitter.
You're making a something? What something? What something? Uy! Saan mo na yung pen? Uy, kaluoy ba si mong pen? Uy, what you doing? Uy, you're making a drawing. They show them. Show them your drawing.
It's me.
It's very nice, diba? Oh.
How about
It's pretty full.
It's pinky or gray?
I think it's pinky.
Pinky correctly.
Pinky correctly.
Circle pinky.
Oh, you have a table man. Ay, why you're not using your table? Your pen is kuan man. Ay, guba. Where's the body of your pen? You love drawing lang? Sketching? We show them, be. Wow, that's Riley's drawing. See? Oh, very nice. It's a girl?
Yeah. It's me. Why?
Ah, it's you. Wow. See? My Riley is an artist. Riley?
Yeah.
Are you an artist?
Yes.
So you want to be an artist when you grow up?
Yeah.
You're not going to be a firefighter anymore?
Yeah, because I still not a good boy.
Mm. You don't want to be a policewoman?
Yeah, because I'm not a boy.
Ah. But you can be a policewoman if you like. It's not for boys only.
Okay. In my rights. By myself. Don't be.
It's dating. It's okay. We're gonna wash it.
It's my turn to wash it.
No, it's not. Oh, you don't know how to wash your clothes. Use lagi table lang.
I can't because I'm making something.
Shh, use table lagi ba? Si bye-bye na lang sabi.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye.
See you later.